Hello, this is Arjun Jani here. I want to thank BB Edit for giving me this opportunity, and today I'll be answering a few questions that have been asked to me. So let's get started. First question is, when did you start your journey in this field? Well, to people who don't know, I run a page called The Entrepreneurs of India, where I interview people, where I interview entrepreneurs, where I share their stories every day, and so this is what I do. And how it got started is actually a very interesting story. To people who don't know, I love talking to myself. So this one day in March end in 2019. I was sitting alone as usual. I was talking to myself as usual, and I was watching people walk by, and I was wondering that why someone is successful, why people are the way they are basically. And I was thinking that okay, in order to get the answer, I need to give them something in return. If I want people to answer my questions, I have to give something in return. And that's when I thought that why not start a page. And I'm sure there are a lot of curious people who also wants to know why people are the way they are. So why not start a page, why not share their story with the world, why not inspire people, and why not acknowledge their efforts that they have made to become successful. So yeah, March 2019 is what, that's when I thought of starting this page, and then I started it in June after giving the exam of my third level of Japanese. So once I finished the exam, I started with this page. How do you plan to grow your business? I think if you are on social media, the only plan is to grow your page, make more people read your content, connect with more people, inspire more people, and the more people you touch, the more likely you are to get funds, the more likely you are to. This is what is happening right now. I don't charge for sharing article, but I do charge for advertising, and people pay me to get advertised. So yeah, and yeah, in the long run, the more followers I get, the more people read my content, the more money I'll make. So that is how I plan to grow my business. Yeah. Okay, why would you like to work in this field? I think if you do something that you like, I think it's obvious. If you do something that you like, you don't have to. You'll never make a sad face in your life, because just doing things, you're spending your time in doing things that you absolutely love. You're doing things that mean something to you. You're doing things that fulfills you from within, that satisfies you from within. So yeah, I think that answers the question. Who do you look up to for inspiration and motivation? I think undoubtedly my father. My father came from a very small village, and he came to Mumbai. He did job for a couple of years, not to make money, but to learn the business. Then he risked everything, and he started his own business. He made the empire for the family, and we are all who we are today is only because of it. So I think my biggest inspiration is my father, and my biggest motivation. So if we can do it without anything, I still have a lot of things. I have a home, I have a family that I live with. I don't have to worry about the food, where to stay. So if he can do it without nothing, I can do. I can also do it with something. Yeah. I think it's all in your mind. I think this life in itself is, if you're living, I think if you're living right now, you are eating, you have a roof, I think you already won. There is no thing, if these things are taken care of, everything else is a blessing, everything else is a gift. So, I don't feel that there are hard times. Yeah, this is what I feel. So because I don't believe in hard times. I just enjoy what I do. I'm a very process-oriented person. I just love what I do. So that there are no hard days in my life. Actually, there are no hard days in my life. Yeah. Well, I'm 24 years old. I'm not married. I don't have children. So, well, there is no such life responsibility as such at this point. And yeah, I just have to take care of myself. I'm blessed that my parents are keeping me in their home and feeding me all the time. So no responsibility as such, but yeah, I have to focus on work. I have to be committed to what I'm working to do, what I do, grow in what I believe in, and one day take all the responsibilities of the family so they can be free, they can enjoy their life, and I can do the work. But I think yeah, right now I'm 24 and more responsibilities coming in the future. Upcoming projects. I was not going to say this, but I'm trying to create a platform where people can come one-to-one. I'll ask them questions. They can share their story with the world. It will be an interview, of course, but I'm working on that. Yeah, that's all I can tell. I think the best way to put it is to not trust what is man-made. Education is man-made, money is man-made, and we have this blind belief on all these things, and we devote everything, we risk everything, trusting all these things, and then at the end we end up doing things that actually does not even matter to us. I've seen a lot of people becoming doctors, becoming lawyers, doing MBAs, especially MBAs, and then working for someone, which is still okay, but then at the end of the day they complain that I did not like what I did. So I think if you're really smart, you will always find a way. First, you need to know what are the things that you love doing. Second, you need to grow in that. It may take time, but you need to grow in that. And I'm not saying all this. I'm just saying this from my own experience, from the people that I've interviewed. I've interviewed more than 500 entrepreneurs till now, and this is what I've learned from them, that anything is actually possible. But you need to be committed to it. You need to be focused on that one thing for a long time in order to achieve success. And literally anything is possible, but don't do things that does not mean anything to you, and don't do things just because others are telling you, or don't become someone just because others are telling you to become someone. Become someone if you genuinely want to become someone. And yeah, that's all. I want to thank BB Edit for giving me this opportunity, for giving me this platform. There are only a few times where I get to talk, and most of the time I'm listening because I take interviews. So I want to thank BB Edit, and it means a lot. And thank you.